And welcome back to another episode of
Sweet Tooth Crafts, where today
we gave AI 6 different random ingredients and it made us a recipe out of it. So if you want to see more content like this, please hit the like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot. And yeah, let's get started. Spoiler
warning.
Do not actually follow along because ChatGPT lied to us and this recipe did not turn out correctly. Here's our random recipe, chewy brown sugar cookies. The ingredients that we had to put in were eggs, vegetable oil, salt, sugar, baking soda, and sugar. I'm gonna preheat the oven. So now we're gonna get all the ingredients.
Okay, so we gotten all of our ingredients, and so let's start. Okay, so first we need a bowl. Let's go get the bowl. Okay. Next we need
Eggs, vegetable oil.
Okay, so let's put the eggs.
Do not use canola oil. It is poisonous.
Okay, we're gonna mix it together. Now we are going to add the brown sugar and the salt. These are gonna be amazing.
Baking soda.
Okay, yeah, baking soda. Gradually add the baking soda. What?
Do we miss something? ChatGPT. So we're supposed to make we're supposed to make balls out of this.
Okay, let's just add some brown sugar.
You can't just.
There.
It lied. Do not trust ChatGPT, people.
There we go. Now it's all.
Alright, let's put it in.
So yeah, don't ask ChatGPT for a recipe.
10, 9, 8. My hair goes 7,
6, 5,
4,
3,
2,
8,
1. Got him.
10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4.
Everything. One big.
So, it's like chocolate jello. ChatGPT is a liar. Dirty, dirty liar.
Lumpy.
Texture is kind of like oatmeal. Disgusting. This is like jelly. So gross, bro. Burnt brown sugar goop. That's what we're gonna call this. Anyways, that's all we have for this video after that disgusting thing.
That made me gag, so.
Yeah, literally gag reflex kicked in. But that's all we have for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please hit the like and subscribe. It really helps us out a lot. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.